Now that it has been 5 minutes, I'm gonna use the cotton to clean it off. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make your eyebrows look thick by using this. It's called Just for Men. So you need an alcohol wipe, an angled brush. I have 2 of them right here. Spoolie, and this is what it comes with. Since you don't need a lot for your eyebrows, I'm just gonna mix it on a water bottle cap. I'm gonna start off with just lining my eyebrows the way I want it. I'm gonna start off in the middle so that it's easier for me to form the shape that I want. Gonna clean it up a little bit using a Q-tip. Now I'm gonna be doing the beginning part. I saved that for last because I wanted my eyebrows to look more natural. So I wanted to fade and then get darker as it goes down. It looks a little crazy right now, but bear with me. It's gonna look good afterwards. So now I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna clean it up. Now that it has been 5 minutes, I'm gonna use the cotton to clean it off. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little soap on the cotton and water and then just wipe it off. So this is how it ended up looking. So what I'm gonna do right now is go in with the concealer and clean it up. That's it. It only takes 5 minutes and it makes your makeup routine easier. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you guys have any suggestions for my next video, please feel free to comment down below. Thank you. In this product, I suggest that you guys try it on your arm first to see if you have any allergic reaction, especially if you have never dyed your hair or if you have sensitive skin.